Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a video on my Friday lab. The assessment is to take a cutout plan from any one of the discussions. So I choose my cutout plan. So this is my cutout plan here. So first is activities. The sub activities are mapping relationships, shutting down interfaces, lock out the users, backing up key data. The mapping relationships, it starts from November 11 20 and ends on the same day. Shutting down interfaces starts on the November 12th and ends on the same day. Lockout the users starts on the 13th of November and ends on the same day. Backup key data starts on the 14th November and ends on the same day. So vice versa, the tasks also have the start and end date. And the opening also has the start and end date. So coming to the assessment, all timestamps must include date, time zone, and start and end time for each cutout task. So here we can see the start and end date and the time and the timestamps also. So coming to the second one, the flowchart must include a hypercare period. So I created flowchart which is here. So the pink ones are my communications. This is informing about the discussions to the board, telling to team members, update management, call I to know the information. This is my communications. So coming to hypercare period, this is the period where we need to tell the customers about our change plans. And here and the third one is the plan must include a communication plan element. So these are the pink ones are my communication plans. Coming to the fourth question, the plan must include rollback strategy. So here is my rollback period for my flowchart. It is the period where we can go to the previous steps. So that's all. Thank you.